Nigerians, waiting be una problem. Waiting be una problem.
When we tell you Ghana is no way to be compared to Nigeria, you think we are joking, right?
The thing is that Ghana and Nigeria believes in different achievements. Ghana believes in a collective achievement, while Nigeria believes in individual achievement. For example, if you ask any Ghanaian to tell you why he or she thinks Ghana is standing out when it comes to Africa, West Africa, and whatever, this person will be calling out things like, oh, Ghana has the biggest harbor, Ghana has a working health sector, Ghana has a working education sector, Ghana has a working government, Ghana has a working energy sector. You get it?
Guys, I want you to take a look at this video. There you know and see for yourself, like the reason why Nigerians are no way there. They are no way Ghanaian class. Let's take a look at the video, and please, at the end of it, I would love you to drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch, and definitely I will be back.
To all the Nigerians that usually or often call Ghana common Ghana. Ghana is a village. Ghana is a state in Nigeria. I don't know how you guys arrive at that conclusion, or on what grounds you say those things. If it's by size, let's see, the whole continent of Europe and the whole continent of America put together, apart from USA, there is no country bigger than Nigeria by population. Yet I've never heard any Nigerian calling any country from those continents as common country, a village, or a state in Nigeria. So I don't know on what grounds you think it's okay to call Ghana common Ghana. The thing is that Ghana and Nigeria believes in different achievements. Ghana believes in a collective achievement, while Nigeria believes in individual achievement. For example, if you ask any Ghanaian to tell you why he or she thinks Ghana is standing out when it comes to Africa, West Africa, and whatever, this person will be calling out things like, oh, Ghana has the biggest harbor, Ghana has a working health sector, Ghana has a working education sector, Ghana has a working government, Ghana has a working energy sector. You get it? Collective achievement are things that the person will be mentioning. But ask any Nigerian to tell you why he thinks Nigeria stands out of Africa, West Africa, and whatever. If not for population, he will be mentioning things like we have Davido, we have Whiskey, we have Dangote, we have E-Money, and whatever. Only individual achievement. So how does Whiskey solve your education sector infrastructure deficit? How does Davido solve your energy sector infrastructure deficit? Your energy crisis, how does Davido solve it? How does Burna Boy solve your health sector infrastructure deficit? Okay, these are not things you can celebrate or enjoy as a country, but these are things that you people appreciate. If you see any Nigerian comedy stand-up, the only thing they talk about is how bad the economy is doing. Okay, the performance, the poor performance of your economy has become a comedy content. Okay, the whole Nigeria, your economy, the only thing that is doing well is your entertainment sector. And that one too, we can't even give credit to you. We can only give credit to our colonial masters, because they are the one who gave Nigeria, and they gave it big. And you people are enjoying from it now. No country can do anything about it. Ghana, we try our best, but today entertainment is all about streaming numbers. And you people have the numbers. So obviously your entertainment sector will do well, which credit you can't even claim. Meanwhile, in Ghana, we believe in collective achievement. And then we also accept responsibilities. In Ghana, if we have election, whatever the outcome can, we say we Ghanaians did it. Nigeria, you have election and everyone is on there. We didn't vote for that. It's the Electoral Commission. It's the Electoral Commission. Talking like the Electoral Commission is Arab or German or Italian. The Electoral Commission is a Nigerian. In Ghana, the Electoral Commission, the security, everyone is looking out for the goodness of Ghana. Meanwhile, since you people celebrate individual achievement, everyone, your government, your politician, everyone is looking up to is a selfish interest. Your electoral commission, your politician, they are all your product. They are all Nigerians. As big as Nigerian is, you should be able to produce good governance, competent people to run your country. Because you are big, so you should be able to have also big number of competent people. And yet, the only people you're able to produce are corrupt people. So I don't know how you think it's okay to call Ghana common Ghana. Accept responsibility. Say that you fail your country. Don't blame electoral commission and your politician. They are all Nigerians. What you plan is what you produce. They are all product of Nigeria. So collectively you have failed. That's what you should know. So I don't know where you think you can even compare Nigeria to Ghana. It's out of ignorance that when you say those things, Nigeria can never be compared to Ghana. It's only the ignorance one that will be thinking this way. If you want to know which country is doing better, check our GDP per capita income. When we say GDP per capita income, it's like if you sell the whole of Nigeria and you divide it by the population, what everyone will get, just simple English, okay? Or you are raising fund, how much everyone will contribute. So if you take your total GDP and you divide it by your population, it means if it was fund that you people raise, this is the contribution of everyone. Your GDP per capita income, as at the time I'm recording this video, is not up to $1,000. Meanwhile, Ghana's GDP per capita income is over $2,000. So which means that if you take our total GDP and you divide it by the population, we will all get over $2,000. That is our contribution to the GDP. Meanwhile, Nigeria is around $800. It's not up to I say 800. It's not up to $1,000. Okay, it's around $800. Yeah. So if you ever call Ghana common Ghana, means that you are just speaking out of ignorance. Okay.
The only problem I'm having with some Nigerians is the fact that they don't want to carry book, learn history on their own. Now follow and learning from people who God knows don't know anything about history, guys. Let's take a look at this video, and please, at the end of it, I want you to, kindly drop your opinion in the comment section. Let's watch.
They say Nigeria give them light.
Nigeria give them light now.
Nigeria give them light.
Now Nigeria give them light now.
How do you take no? Who told you?
Even in the history myself, we know say
in whose book?
I know you know worry about that one. We know say na Nigeria. If you go Kanji now, we go no say yes, na Nigeria give Ghana light. That one are for sure, 100% sure myself.
Na Kanji them buy. Na Ghana they get light past Nigeria now. Because na Nigeria they say Nigeria give them light.
Nigeria give them light now.
So right now, Nigerians, waiting be una problem. Waiting be una problem. Na kanyi never. Oh no. Even the Bible said, love your neighbor as yourself. The way you take love yourself, now so you go take love your neighbor. Una two mumu, una two idiots. Nothing you fit tell me. See old people like this now, where they don't corrupt their mind since childhood to this age, still they don't get sense. Na kaji they buy. Now we they give Ghana light. Now we they give Ghana light. Now we they give the Ghana light. Where you people, you still dey darkness. You don't get sense. Now you people, where they give Ghana light, you don't get sense at all. Nothing you fit tell me. Nothing you people fit tell me. Look at all this. Look at all these mumu people. They go come on the media, go open their mouth, talk. They go open this their dirty mouth, talk. Na kaji they buy. What happened to your own country? Now you get kaji. Why say you people will not get lights on? Get there, na kaji they buy. Na kaji na for free. Na kaji na for free. Una for go school. Una for go school. Now, you see, you people for sit down, make you bring Ghana lectures. Make they can teach you sense. Because una not get sense. Una not get a shishi for here. Na kaji deba. Which book? He said, forget about book. Yes, because that is because they know they read. They don't want to read. They don't want to learn anything. They don't want to read. They don't want to learn. Forget about book. Forget about book. Forget about book. Now history. Now history. Ask them who told you that history. Who told you that history? That history. Since history time. Still not Nigeria. Because always now they shift your problem to another side. Yes. Still power to the Nash. One.
Ghana people are hypocrites. Yesterday, I met one Ghana man where they interview am for one live video like that. In the talk say he's a Senegal boy. He say no be Ghana. Ghana cannot do that kind of thing. Say na Nigeria. Everything say na go say na Nigeria. Ghana cannot do that thing. My prayer be say if Ghana police, because say Ghana police be like say una no even serious. Una no serious because if una Ghana pikin then pie una for don't see the person since no be the one wey all those illiterate mumu where they don't know how to use social media. This social media because social media they exist. They social media they talk say na Nigeria na ekpai but who wan see the person? Una no fit do una no fit do thief people. Una be thief. I say una be thief, una dey thief razor, una dey thief sardine, una dey thief tomato. Nigeria man go thief tomato. Ghana man dey thief tomato, make I tell una. He dey thief tomato. Dem don deport Ghana pastor with him wife from here go Ghana pastor because two of them go thief wetin cost only 10 euro. 10 euro something na dem go thief. Ghana pastor don't give a pikin belle for here. Wife will travel to Ghana, he don't give a pikin belle. You people are dirty people. Later I call about the pikin. As the mother come back, now the pikin tell her the marriage till today is gone. Una be dirty people, dirty, smelly people. Asawo no the finish. You come out for husband house, go another man, go poker. Go cook water, go say na bra all na bra, all of them na bra. Come Europe here, okay, my bra. It dey knock am na bra. All of them na Nigeria dey do it openly. You know they hide that. But una own na the hider. Secret asawo till they go buy their husband.
Hey, spy Olojo. Drop that your dirty stinking mouth over there. When human beings are talking, this animal will also open that his dirty mouth are also talking. When human beings are talking, will it also open that his dirty mouth to talk? How much be toothbrush? How much be toothbrush? How much be president? Go and ask. I will pay. Look at this kids. Anybody who want cat cruise go mention Ghana name. English self. You know the feel speak. English. What was it now? We dey place if you like you know well, eh? With this makeup where you dey do see your face. See that your Yama face. You dey look like a banji. That is what when Satan met saw and shouted, blood of Jesus. What was it now? Look at your rig. Like Satan himself. Look at this one. These eats have the infantry, have the timidity to mention Ghana name. As we dey mention Ghana name self, you know the shame. Old cargo. Everybody now they patronize her again. She's frustrated. Yes, you are frustrated human being. You are frustrated Odoloyo. If you get advice, go and advise your Nigerian people. Yes, they tell the Ghanaian police, no, they're serious. The Ghanaian police, no, they're serious. They're not that serious like your own government. They're not that serious like your own economy. Yes, woman. Get out from my face. Look at it. Look at it. They open mouth talk about Ghana.
70 years old man.
They open that in Nyama teeth where they take eat human meat. They talk about Ghana. You, even you, eat. Twang. So this one now, they get mad. They sleep on top of her. They knock. That me, I go watch this. Crazy woman. Get out from my face. I did vessel. Look at this one. See person way emote. They smell more than enough. Person way emote. They smell more than enough. This one, this eats. Crazy woman like you. May I hear one pin again. May I hear one pin again. You go see say that me, the national president all over the world. Yes. Yes. Steve. Power to the Nash.